And you don't have any medical records reflecting that you required any reconstructive work, do you?
I never required reconstructive work.
What you do have, Miss Heard, are pictures of Mr. Depp sleeping, though, right? The jury saw a lot of those. You took this photograph, right, Miss Heard?
That's correct.
So you decided to take a picture of Mr. Depp asleep on the floor?
He was passed out.
Let's take a look at Defendant's Exhibit 1091, which is already in evidence. You took this picture as well.
Yes.
And this is a picture that was taken in the Bahamas, right? And this is a picture of Mr. Depp taking a nap on his tropical island, sleeping on the nod on his island.
They're very different.
On vacation.
We were on vacation, yes.
You also took this picture, right, Miss Heard?
That's correct. I did.
And this is another picture of Mr. Depp asleep in a chair.
No, he was nodding off. When you're nodding off, you're high on drugs. Didn't even feel the cigarette in his hand that had, been burning on his leg. It was cause for alarm for me, naturally, because I cared about him.
It's your testimony under oath that Mr. Depp is holding a cigarette in this picture?
He had been.
You seem to really like taking pictures of Mr. Depp while he's sleeping, don't you? You took this picture of Mr. Depp as well, didn't you?
I did.
You decided to take a picture of Mr. Depp asleep with ice cream spilled all over him, right?
Where he wouldn't even feel ice cream or a lit cigarette on him, and it scared me.
So you
really
took a picture of it?
Who clean up after him.
Objection,
Your
Your Honor, I'm going to move to strike everything after yes. She took this picture.
Still responsive, Your Honor.
The question was, did you take this picture?
All right, I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you, Your Honor. Or you would agree with me that this is an embarrassing scene, right? But you sent this picture to one of your friends, didn't you?
I don't recall.
And for ease, we've gone ahead and redacted it.
Yes, I was asking for support. That's correct.
There's no question yet, Ms. Heard. So directing your attention, I'm going to move to admit. So you sent Miss Pennington this picture of Mr. Depp with ice cream spilled on him, right?
That is correct.
And this is you protecting Mr. Depp.
That is me getting support from my best friend.
You weren't afraid the monster would get upset that you took this picture?
This was Opiate Johnny. This is a different version of him. This is Opiate on the Nod Johnny.
And you weren't afraid that Opiate Johnny, or the monster as you called him, would get upset that you sent this picture to your friend?
Well, he's all of those things. Of course he could get upset. Of course that's scary to me, of course. But
did it stop you from sending this picture to your friend, did it?
Why would it?